Alright, let's talk about it. Why? Because I feel it needs to be talked about. When it comes to custom apparel, folks, when it comes to custom apparel, you can't just throw out a price. Like, you know what I'm saying? You can't throw out a price because that price that you throw out there is not the same for everybody. So let's say you got a chick. Her name is Mika. Mecka. She wants Mika on the front of her shirt. Right? She wants Mika on the front of her shirt. Y'all following me? She wants Mika. That's all she wants is Mika. So, I may tell her that, oh, that's all you want on the shirt? Oh, I can do that for $15. Like, you know what I mean? And when I say to Mika, I can do that for $15, maybe I already have the shirt. Like, you know what I'm saying? Maybe I already have the shirt in her size. Maybe I already have the vinyl in her size, or in her color. Maybe I got what I need already. I don't have to go to the store. I don't have to place an order for anything. I got your color shirt, your size shirt, and the color vinyl that you need. I have it already in my house. Like, you know what I'm saying? So I tell you it's $15. Now, if someone wants it to say Big Mika, you know what I mean? And then on the back, they wanted to say, happy 31st birthday. Well, of course, that shirt would not be $15. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I got to put more work into it. Like, you know what I'm saying? And she wants something on the front and on the back. Like, you know what I'm saying? So a lot of people, I guess they come to the misconception of, oh, shit, a shirt is a shirt and the price is the price. Well, not necessarily. Like, you know what I'm saying? Anybody who in this city who does this type of work, they automatically know that if I don't have the shirt, then I need to order the shirt. If I don't have the vinyl, then I need to order the vinyl. You know? There's no place in the US of A that you can order vinyl from and it's going to cost you less than $25. Like, you know what I'm saying? That's the cost we eat up. Like, you know what I'm saying? If I place an order for some vinyl, like this little black vinyl right here, not the glitter, because the glitter costs $14.99, but the black vinyl, that right there is anywhere from $7.50 to $8.50 for a yard of this stuff, people, right? But then I still got to pay $9.95 to get it shipped to me. So that just made it turn into $25. Like, you know what I'm saying? So how can one do a shirt for less than $25 if it costs you $25 just to order the vinyl? Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, make that make sense. So I'm supposed to put together a shirt for you and lose out on money just because you want the shirt for $15? Like, you know what I'm saying? In order to get that price down to $15, you got to be ordering 10 or more of those shirts. So here's how people would do it. They'll jump in your inbox. They'll quote a price. You'll give them that price. So then they'll be like, well, how much is it if I order 40 of them? So then you'll give them the price if they order 40 shirts, which will be substantially cheaper than just ordering one shirt. And then this is what they'll do. They'll wait a week or two and then jump back in your inbox and they'll quote that price for 40 shirts that you gave them, but now they only want 8 shirts. Like, you know what I'm saying? And then they'll get mad at you and say, well, you told me that I'll be able to get them for $15 a piece. Yeah, that's if you order 40 or more of them. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, but if you only want 2 of them, they gonna be $25, $30 a piece. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I feel like I've been blackballed in my city simply because I don't budge on my prices. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, this is my business. Like, I can't let you tell me how much I'm supposed to charge you. Like, you know what I'm saying? It's like going to a car lot and you want this car and they tell you the price of the car and then you tell them, well, I only got 2,500. That may work at a Hyundai dealership or something on a used Hyundai that has 300,000 miles on it. But try that and go to a Lexus dealership and see what they gonna tell you. Like, you know what I'm saying? Well, come back when you got the rest. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, these shirts right here are not easy to make, people. And if you want a rhinestone shirt, something original, it's going to cost a design fee. It's going to cost a preparation fee. I got to pay for the stones. I got to pay for the glitter. I got to pay for the shirt. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, sure enough, there's some shirts on my page that I advertise and I say, well, this shirt will cost you this much. That's because I've already invested my money and my time. I've already created the design. I already got it cut out. It's ready to go. Like, you know what I mean? So that discount is what I'm offering to y'all because this was something I did for me. Like, you know what I mean? When I post a shirt online and I put a price up, that's the price for everybody. Like, you know what I'm saying? But if you jump in my inbox, like, you know what I'm saying, and you want a dancing Christmas tree, like, you know what I mean, or you want 3 little elves on your shirt, like, you know what I mean, and on the back you wanted to say whatever the fuck you wanted to say, that price is going to be different because depends on what you need. You might want 4 colors in your shirt. Now I got to order 4 different types of vinyl. That's already $40 right there, not even adding shipping and handling, like, you know what I'm saying? So now I'm paying $50. I just paid $50 to order all of this material, right? And I'm supposed to sell you the shirt for $35. Like, you know what I'm saying? Make it make sense. It don't make sense. Like, you know what I mean? Sure enough, there's some businesses out here that have been in the game for 10 plus years. Like, you know what I mean? They already got the vinyl. They already got all the supplies. Like, you know what I'm saying? And they may be able to do that shirt with no problem for $15. I'm one of those guys. I would say, well, please go to them. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, please go to them. A dancing Christmas tree. Yeah, man. Like, bruh, you don't have no idea the type of request that I have gotten in my inbox. Like, you know what I'm saying? On what people want me to do. Like, you know what I'm saying? And I can do it. Like, you know what I mean? But it's going to cost you. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, sure enough, name shirts are easy. Like, you know what I mean? If it's a name shirt and it's less than 12 letters, like, you know what I'm saying? Then sure, I can give that. I can put a price up to say all name shirts less than 15 letters in the name using one color will be this much. Like, you know what I'm saying? But we all know people are different. Everybody is different. Everybody wants what they want. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, everybody wants what they want. Somebody may say, oh, I want this on the sleeve. I want this on that sleeve. I want something on the back. Like, you know what I mean? And then they'll get mad when you give the price. Oh, that's going to be $65. $65? Why? Why is it going to be $65? Because one, that's what it's going to cost. Like, you know what I'm saying? Two, that's what it's going to cost. Like, you know what I'm saying? 3, that's what the fuck it's gonna cost. Like, you know what I'm saying? So, I mean, feel free to go to other people. Like, you know what I mean? It doesn't make me none. Like, you know what I'm saying? I'd rather you go to other people than bring that headache my way. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I got it even better. Think of it like this. Can you go to Ralph Lauren Polo and say, oh, I want my shirt pink, and I want my little polo man, I want him to be green, like, you know what I mean? And then on the back, I wanted to say Ralph Lauren Polo big. I wanted to say Ralph Lauren Polo big, but then you get mad because your polo shirt don't cost the same as the polo shirt that's over there on the rack. Like, you know what I'm saying? That's how people treat me. Like, you know what I'm saying? They say, but you posted a shirt on your page the other day, and it was only $35. Yeah, I posted a shirt on my page that I made already. Like, you know what I mean? That I took my time and posted it already. It's done already. Like, you know what I mean? I don't have to take no deposit from you or nothing. Like, the shirt is done, it's ready to go, and that's what I'm selling it for. But there's no way in the world that you can even fathom me making your own personal shirt and it's still costing $35. Like, you know what I'm saying? I mean, the best example I can use is with cars. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, you cannot You go to a car lot. Uh they got 8 Chargers. They got a white one, they got a red one, they got a yellow one, they got a black one, they got a green one. They got 8 Chargers sitting all on the lot. Like, you know what I mean? But these 8 cars all have different prices on them. Why? Well, for one, that one is an automatic. For 2, that one has a spoiler on it. For 3, that one has DVD, MP3, the whole 9 yards in the inside. Like, you know what I'm saying? Oh, that one over there, that one has a Hemi in it. Like, you know what I mean? So sure enough, from the outside looking in, all of these cars look the same. Like, you know what I mean? The only difference you may notice is the color. But the price is totally different on each one. Why? Because they each have their own different characteristics. Now, how much do you think a Charger will cost if you got it custom made? Meaning you don't want the yellow one, green one, blue one, black one, orange one. You want yours to be fire pink. And you want it to have flames on the side of it. Like, you know what I'm saying? You want your seats to be cashmere cream or whatever. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, but then you trying to argue with the salesperson. Like, well, that one over there is only $8,000. Why mine is 32 grand? Man, if you don't understand why yours is 32 grand, please exit this car lot. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I mean, that's how people treat me, and it's irritating. It's irritating. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, people treat me like, hey, how much are your shirts? Like, I'm supposed to just be able to just give you a price and say, oh, they $35? They're not $35. Some shirts are $35. Some are $235. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, all I want to know is, and I'm on some cocky shit right now because I feel that I can be cocky. Name another person in the tri-state. I ain't even going to say the city. I'm talking about the tri-state. Indiana, Kentucky, and Ohio. Name another person that can do what I do. And do it as live as I do it. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, sure enough, yeah, people may say, oh, yeah, he an asshole at times. He this or he that. Like, you know what I mean? But I'm real reasonable. Like, you know what I'm saying? I'm very, very reasonable. Not once have I overpriced anybody. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, what it costs is what it costs. Like, you know what I'm saying? So y'all saying I'm supposed to make these shirts and not make any profit from it? Like, you know what I'm saying? If I pay $40 in materials, I'm supposed to charge you $40 for your shirt? Like, you know what I mean? Like, I never make any money that way. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, so I tell somebody, oh, bro, that's going to cost $75. And I won't get a reply back. Like, you know what I'm saying? And I'll be like, damn, that's crazy. This motherfucker was just in my motherfucking inbox wanting me to do some one-of-a-kind original shit for this motherfucker. He don't even have a design. He didn't even have the concept down of how he wanted his shirt. I decided to come up with a design. Now, mind you, I'm doing all of this and I haven't received a dime, people. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'll create the design just to show him what it looks like on the shirt. Just for the motherfucker to steal the design and take it somewhere else. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, but then I'll tell somebody it costs to design and they be like, oh, nah, never mind. Like, you know what I mean? Like, it's shirt makers out here in this city that create shirts and don't charge a design fee. I know because I've done it. Like, you know what I'm saying? But it bites you in the ass when you trying to finalize the sale. You trying to finalize the sale, right? So in order to finalize the sale, they say, oh, I want to see what it's going to look like on a shirt. So you put together a mock-up and show them what it looks like on a shirt. And they be like, nah, I'm cool. Or nah, I'm all right. And what they'll do is they'll take that design to somebody else and have them make the shirt. Like, you know what I mean? For cheaper than, like, oh, it's it's just mind blowing sometimes. Like, it's real irritating that in this business, like, you know what I mean? People try to get slick. When I say they get slick with you, they get real slick with you. You know what I'm saying? They'll try to say, well, such and such and such and such said they'll do it for this much. Well, go to them then. Like, you know what I'm saying? And I hope the quality is great. Like, you know what I mean? Like, I'm going to talk to y'all today. If y'all go back to my page 3 years and seen everything that I've made thus far, please point me in the direction of somebody who can do it like I do it. I'm talking about with these motherfucking stones. Like, you know what I'm saying? Show me somebody that can do it the way I do it. Like, you know what I'm saying? Point them out. Comment down below with a link to whoever they is. Like, you know what I'm saying? Because I would love to challenge this motherfucker. Like, you know what I mean? I feel like I truly have a point to prove. Like, you know what I'm saying? When it comes to this rhinestone work. Go to any t-shirt shop in the city and ask them if they do stones. Like, you know what I mean? Show them one of my shirts and ask them, oh, bro, can you do this? I want this on the yellow shirt. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, so the way people downplay me, like what I'm asking for is too much. Like, you know what I'm saying? It's beneath me. It's beyond me. It just irks my nerves. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, it truly does. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, what it takes to create one of these shirts. You know, what it takes to create one of these shirts is time. It takes money. It takes patience. I'm sweating like a motherfucker. I'm going to be going live all day today. I got a lot of shit on my mind, a lot of shit to talk about, like, you know what I'm saying? And I just want to share it with y'all, you know? Because, I mean, if I don't get it off my brain, then it eats me up from the inside. You know what I'm saying? So the more and more I express to y'all what I'm feeling, then hopefully people can start saying, yeah, a one-of-a-kind shirt. You know what I'm saying? I'm not talking about your name and glitter. Anybody in the city can do somebody's name and glitter. Like, you know what I mean? I'm not talking about going to steal a logo or of a basketball team offline and then put that through your program and cut that out. Like, I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about you come to me with your own ideal. I take that ideal, I draw it up into a design to be placed on a shirt. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, if y'all don't know, if y'all might see this video and y'all like, who is dude or whatever, just go look through my photos. Like, you know what I'm saying? Look through my photos. You can see what type of work I've done. Like, you know what I mean? Like, I'm on par. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, the company royalty, if I wanted to, I can make counterfeit royalty shirts if I wanted to. I can make counterfeit Gucci shirts if I wanted to. Like, you know what I mean? I can make counterfeit anything if I wanted to. Like, you know what I'm saying? It's just that simple. Like, you know what I mean? But that's not what I do. Like, you know what I mean? I put my time and my artwork into a craft. Like, you know what I mean? That's one of a kind. Like, you know what I'm saying? And people try to keep downplaying me like the shirts are supposed to cost $20. Y'all got me fucked up. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, and it's sad that I even had to go on there and say it like this, but man, a lot of y'all got me fucked up. Like, you know what I mean? I ain't even about to name no names, but they know who they are. They know who they are. Big names too. We talking about big names in the city. Like, you know what I mean? Done jumped in my inbox and then they get mad at me because I won't make the shirt for $15. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, how you mad at me, bro? Because I ain't doing no shirt for $15. Like, you know what I mean? That ain't what I do. Like, you know what I mean? Like, not at all.